Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make an easy Kerala style vegetable stew curry. In a pressure cooker, take about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use refined oil as well. Add all the khada masalas as the oil warms up. I have taken few fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, clove, star anise and cardamom. Add a few curry leaves and a slit green chili with some crushed ginger and stir fry it well. Once the masala is well toasted, we can proceed to add our onions. As the onions turn pinkish, add some coriander powder and some pepper powder. Now we can add veggies of our choice. I have added potatoes, carrots and beans. Stir it well and add half a cup of water. Now pressure cook it for one whistle on high flame or till the vegetables are softened to your liking. Once the pressure is gone, we can open the cooker and add our coconut milk. If you don't like packaged coconut milk, you can make your own by using freshly grated coconut. Use only the first thick milk. If you don't want to do that either, then grind some coconut into fine paste and add it. All will have similar results. Don't let the stew come to a boil as it will split the curry. A soft bubbling is good enough. Now our stew is ready. I am going to devour it with some appam. You can have it with patiri, idiyappam, neer dosha, or even with rice. Do try this versatile yet quick recipe and leave your feedback in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.